The Notch Manager allows you to edit notch tags that have been placed. The Notch List section shows you a list of all of the notch tags that have already been placed. Under Mode, you will see a list of each pattern piece that has a notch tag on one of its pattern edges. Click the drop-down on each piece to see each notch tag associated with that piece. Each notch tag will highlight in the viewport when it is selected. Mode describes the notch type being either point or chain. The type identifies the notch type. The tag is the number or text associated with a given notch. The New Notch section is where you define the notch tag that will be added to a pattern edge. The Set Auto Increment value allows you to change or reset the incremental number or letter count when placing new notch tags. Change the number or letter in the associated box, and when creating a new notch tag, the number or letter will increment from that value. Point allows you to set a single notch tag on a pattern edge at a selected vertex. Chain distributes notch tags along a pattern edge based on a count or spacing value. Click New to begin placing notch tags. In the Notch Properties, you can edit the settings for a selected notch tag that has been placed. When a notch tag is placed using Point, changing the notch properties only applies to the selected notch tag. If Chain was selected, the chain properties will apply to all the notch tags in that chain group. The Notch Type dropdown allows you to select a different notch type for a given notch tag. Check the inverted box to place the notch tag outside of the seam allowance. The notch width changes the width of the notch from end to end. For a V notch, this would be the length of the mouth of the notch. The notch depth changes the depth of the notch from the seam allowance towards the center of the pattern piece. If the seam allowance is set to 0, then the fallback depth will be 1/4 inch, or the selected unit by default. This will place the notch on the inside of the pattern piece. If inverted was selected, then the depth will go towards the outside of the pattern. Notch Multiple changes the amount of notches at a given placement. The Notch Multiple spacing changes the spacing between multiple notches. The color changes the color of the notch and its tag. Tag text changes the text of the selected notch's tag. The tag font face changes the font of the selected notch's tag, and the tag font size changes the font size of that selected notch tag. The Apply Notch Template dropdown applies the setting of a selected notch template to that selected notch tag. Chain Properties. Direction. For the primary or selected edge, the notch chain is created from start to end by default. For edges with the twin, the direction of the chain must be flipped to produce coincident notches. The placement changes the method for placing the notch tags in that chain group. Changing the placement to spacing places notches along a pattern edge based on a distance value from one another. When spacing is checked, you can edit the distance between notch tags. Changing it to count distributes a defined amount of notches along a pattern edge based on a set value. The Place Notch on Edge Start and Edge End buttons allow you to set a notch at the start or end of a pattern edge. The edge start and stops are defined by the split points, which are the teal dots seen along the pattern edges. The starts and stops go in a counterclockwise direction along each pattern piece.